This is how you can turn a pageless view in Google Docs. In this example, I have a normal document with a page view, meaning that there is a distinction, there is a border between pages, but in the pageless views, stuff like this doesn't exist. So if you want to get a seamless experience, then I highly recommend using a pageless view. And in order to get that, just go to the view menu and then go to page setup and turn on pageless right here. And here there's some warning that you probably have to be aware that some content like headers, footers, columns, and watermark might not be visible in this format. Just be aware that there are some limitations for this format. And also you can change the background color to any color you want, but in this case I'm just going to be using the white background, and then click OK. Now you can see that the document has turned into a pageless view, which is quite fantastic. I think this is one of the best examples, but there are some cases where pageless is probably not the best idea, especially if you have some unusual elements in your document. So let's turn this document into pageless as well and see what's going to happen. Right, now you can see that the reason why not all documents should turn into pageless. So there's this element, this is a decoration that used to be on the left side of the document, and now I have to remove it manually, which is quite annoying. So that should give you an idea that maybe you have to be aware, you have to consider what document should be using this format. Anyway, you can always undo the changes, and yeah, you can go back to normal. The same thing is also true if you want to go back to the previous state of the document, which is the page format. Just go to the page setup again and go back to pages and click OK. Now everything is basically reset to normal. So that's how you can turn on the pageless view in Google Docs.